Welcome to this quick tutorial on Pitchbox's one-click unsubscribe feature. Today, I'll show you an optional tool that can enhance recipient experience for your outreach campaigns. Pitchbox offers a convenient way to add list unsubscribe headers into your email templates. While this feature isn't mandatory for link building outreach, it is there if your organization or compliance team requires it. If this applies to your situation, Pitchbox makes it very easy to implement. Let me show you how. We head over to our campaign screen and then choose any one of the campaigns and click on templates. That takes you to a template builder and just pretty much where your sequencing is set up. I'll click on edit template and go right below the body of my email. And then I have two options here, which is one-click unsubscribe, which follows the RFC 8058, and also include opt-out footer. Now, the difference between them two is opt-out footer is basically going to include a little bit of content below the email, so that instructing users to reply back to you with some keywords such as unsubscribe or remove me, and they can do that. That does not include a link or anything, which is, if you must, that is a preferred way. But the other way, which is one-click unsubscribe, and you can use them both together, what this will do is simply add a header into your email so that when it arrives into email clients like Gmail, for example, that support the one-click unsubscribe, you'll have the unsubscribe link. And actually, let me show you what it looks like in my email client. And here I have a number of emails, and some of them are from, email marketing campaigns. And as you can see, this particular email has an unsubscribe link. If I click on unsubscribe, Google will send a notification to the sender letting them know that I no longer want to receive an email. And let's give that a shot. All right, now this particular sender should no longer send me those emails because they have been notified not to email them. Pitchbox operates in the same way. So if you send an email and somebody clicks on this unsubscribe link, Pitchbox will be notified about it, and we will add this person as your unsubscribe contact so that you do not continue sending emails to them. A very important thing to consider is that just by adding the header, one-click unsubscribe header into your email, it does not mean that unsubscribe link will automatically show up in all the email clients. Your DNS settings need to be set up absolutely flawlessly. Your DKIM, your SPF records, they all must be configured properly. And on top of that, each email service provider will decide whether or not to show unsubscribe links specifically for you as the sender. And they make that determination based on the body of the email as well. Typically, those unsubscribe links will show up on marketing emails, but it also depends on your sender reputation. Let's see what ChatGPT says. How does one-click unsubscribe feature work? Will it show for all senders? ChatGPT gives us a long-winded answer as usual, but we'll go right to our main question. Will it show for all senders? And the answer is no. So if you're using one-click unsubscribe and you're sending emails and you're sending yourself test emails and you don't see the unsubscribe, don't freak out. It does not mean that you don't have it set up correctly. It means that the email client just decided not to show it, and they have a criteria that they go by. Number one, sender compliance. There's an email client support, which, as I said, yes, Gmail and Outlook, they do support it. Not all of them do. And then email type, if it works primarily with promotion, marketing, newsletter style, but not necessarily for the remainder. So when we talk about link building, typically they won't show because we, as link builders, we don't really fall into that category. What about verified senders? And this is, hopefully, it'll give us the right answer, which is basically going to be, yes, around DKIM, SPF, DMARC. You need to make sure that your email is set up correctly. And Pitchbox recently launched a new product, MXWrite, which will help you identify whether you have all these things set up correctly. And there are a number of other tools to do that as well, but that is also a prerequisite. So one-click unsubscribe is great. You can definitely use it, but don't freak out if you do not see the one-click unsubscribe link in your test emails.